Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival today. This time it is a Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. It's a 1.6 HDI. It is a Selection model, which is like a mid-range spec. Very nice car, very clean, very tidy, drives well. It's all nice inside. It's got service history with it, and it will come with a service. It will come with a new MOT, and it will come with 3 months parts and labour warranty. A tow bar on it as well. Saves you a few £100. Yeah, it does drive well. There's loads of room in these. Of course, they're a 7-seater. You can fold all the seats down in the back if you wanted to make it almost like a van. And it's a nice spec. So I've got front and back electric windows. You've got Bluetooth. You've got a touch screen. Can't see it because of the reflection, but you've got a touch screen in the centre there. And the mileage is 121,191 miles as we do the video today. More pictures of it on the website, that's rostonparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a call, 07868 722 133, and this is one of a choice that we currently have in stock. So if you are looking for a 7-seater, do look through the rest of the stock on the website, that's rostonparkmotors.co.uk.